To fix too many failed attempts while create a Yahoo email account, the first thing that you need to do is this. First search Yahoo to the Google and click on the create a Yahoo account that you will see on the very first page. If you have too many attempts and still failed, here's what you need to do. Go to the settings of your device or phone and make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection because sometimes failure to create means you have a low network. Afterwards, go to the Google options, click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right, and then scroll down until you see the settings. On the settings, click on other settings. Make sure that the Discover, Shake to Send Feedback, Autocomplete with Trending Searches toggles are on. Afterwards, on the video preview, make sure that it is set to Wi-Fi only, and then make sure that clear tabs are available. Afterwards, you can go ahead and click on the privacy and safety options, and then scroll down until you see there clear all cookies and click clear all. After that, you can now go ahead and proceed on making your Yahoo.